Welcome to all viewers in To the Point with IQ. It's a comprehensive series of import-export management with shipping for both professional or non-professional viewers. Before get started, just click the bell icon and subscribe the channel to get new upcoming videos on this channel. This presentation is to provide an insight view of international trade management along with their assemblies and sub-assemblies. Technically, import-export management subdivided into 14 different parts. 1. International trade financing and economics. 2. Managing import and export business. 3. Company registration process. 4. Finding the buyer or customer. 5. Contract management. 6. Structuring the terms and conditions. 7. Choosing payment mode and Incoterm 2020. 8. Preparing import and export documents. 9. Custom duty and taxes computation. 10. Landed cost and rebates etc. 11. Custom clearing and forwarding formalities. 12. Freight consolidation. 13. Container dimensions and stowing. 14. Port and shipping management. Firstly, we discover how these 14 processes merge together in a single process. And then on later videos we will go for in-depth knowledge of each process one by one. Initially, all import-export working is surrounded by different trade agreements between two countries. So, we have to know it well to end up the correct working plan and get the right advantage from it. For example, like PEC, Free Trade Agreements and compliance of Generalized System Preferences GSP with European Union etc. After that, we have learned how to develop your own import-export business with complete market research along with product evolution reports. By establishing an office, how you may get connected with Security Exchange Commission, Chamber of Commerce and Board of Revenue for company registration. In import-export business you may doing business with distributors, wholesalers or even with some end users also, so you have to be good in contract management to deal with different types of customers by understanding the real term and conditions. Like duties and taxes, payment modes, Incoterms and shipment documents for clearance, for example, commercial invoice, bill of lading, certificate of origin, packing list and goods declaration GD form by using custom-based application portal. Clearing and forwarding agents have an important role in a global trade market. This module covers all aspects of shipment clearance under the Custom Act. Moreover, it has also covered clearing and forwarding procedure to all relevant sea and dry ports in different countries. Now, today this is the end of this video. Thanks all of you for joining us. I hope you relished it very well. Keep me up on your suggestions. I will try my little best to make all upcoming videos more precise and of course, to the point. And finally, if you have any question about import-export management with shipping, no matter if you have already engaged with import-export business or you have just looked into it, write to me in your comment box. I will crack the queries on my later videos. Click the bell icon and subscribe my channel for upcoming videos. God bless you all.